And now, back to the Social Astronomer, your guide to interpersonal success.
When you're at a gathering with people you don't know, talking about names can be a real icebreaker. Hi, I'm the Social Astronomer.
I'm Tiffany.
Fascinating name, but not as fascinating as an exoplanet name.
Really?
Yes. An exoplanet name generally includes the name of its star system, followed by a letter. Capital letters are only used for stars, while lowercase letters are used for planets. So if the star in the Wolf 359 system has a couple exoplanets, which it does, they're named Wolf 359b and Wolf 359c in the order they were discovered.
I get it. So the first exoplanet discovered in a star system named Cardi would be named Cardi B.
Yes, but there's more. Few star systems have nice, easy names like Cardi. Many are named after the telescopes that discovered they had planets, followed by a number for the order they were discovered. For instance, planets were found in star systems named Kepler 1, Kepler 2, Kepler 3.
So an exoplanet found around Kepler 4 would be Kepler 4b, the star system plus a letter. Fancy.
It sure is. Now sometimes an exoplanet name might include not just the telescope, but coordinates in the sky, the date, catalog number, and more. That's how you get exoplanets named Ogle 2018 BLG 1269L lowercase b.
I want to be named like an exoplanet.
Who wouldn't?
I was discovered by the Quality Control Department in Warehouse 17 yesterday. So my name could be Quality Control Department Yesterday Warehouse 17B. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Remember exoplanet naming conventions and you'll be the life of the party in no time.
That's my name now.
You're welcome.